I'm in tunnel.
Oh, so am I. I'm in the south tunnel.
North.
Oh, I'm right next to him
Oh,
though.
sorry, I can hear him. Yeah, so my game must not updated then. It must have done.
Oh my god. What are they doing to me?
Oh, what the fuck? Fucking latching it.
Yeah.
Oh, where is he?
Just keep moving, Connie.
I'm at East Cell.
Just think.
On the south tunnel
Just
still.
think. There's got to be
Oh,
a
yeah.
way out.
South. Whereabouts?
Oh. Near wherever someone's getting bones there, idiots. They're giving themselves away and they've just given away my eyes. A lock here. I'm in the south tunnel. There's a door here.
I'm in South too.
Oh.
What?
Someone just ran past me, but I think so. If you come right down to the end of the south tunnel, there's a door here.
Yeah, it's Leafland.
Oh shit.
He's moving. Why are you doing that
Gotta
for,
find
dude?
something I can
You're gonna
use.
go so away.
Oh, he did go away from us in all fairness.
Indeed, yeah.
Thank
Uh-oh.
you.
Okay, I hear him coming. Oh! Run! Run! I'm dead. Oh! What?
Is it a lockpick?
Oh, okay. Which tunnel are you in, Tony?
I'm still in the south tunnel. I'm down the bottom.
Yeah, I'm latching that. Oh,
There's a... Oh, no, dude. I'm just locking the door now.
okay. Well, somehow he's tracked me, like to over here. So,
I won't open the door. I'm gonna leave it.
okay. I think you're taking chainsaw off.
Yeah, he has.
I have to find the others.
Did
For
you?
what? Fair enough. Fair play to you, mate. Alright, now he's turned it back on.
Yeah, yeah. I see. Well, I can quickly.
Alright,
pick up
he's
this
not
door.
at the end of the south tunnel. He's not at the end here, and I've got the door unlocked.
South.
Yeah.
Oh, that's if I remember to get to south. Yeah, I'm at south now.
Right, hang on. He's near again with a chainsaw. Oh no, he's upstairs, I think. No, he's getting Leland. Yeah, they are. I'm here.
Okay.
What the hell
Go.
did we do
Open.
here?
Run. What? How'd you get up? Oh, what?
This looks like
Oh, save here, save here.
Oh, I was like so confusing.
Yeah, same.
Fuses there.
Yeah, I'm not going that way. Wait, where? Oh no, it's this map. Gas station.
Shit.
What?
He's over there. He's got to be over there. He's coming still.
No.
Oh shit, they're up by Grandpa. Grandpa's here, isn't he? Fuck, I'm right in front of Grandpa.
I've actually swore a couple of times. You can't swear.
Oh, he's actually running in the bushes, man.
Yeah, he's right in front of us. Would you believe that?
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Grandpa. Here you go.
Oh, well, we've managed to get past him so far. Oh, they're feeding him up quick. I ain't got no bone. Joe, you got a bone?
Nah, I've got two screwdrivers.
Oh, screwdrivers don't work on him. How stupid. There's a chicken here somewhere. I'm trying to be careful. Oh, it's right there. Can we go around this shed?
That's why I'm moving slowly. I see him. He's locking the gate.
Near him somewhere. Oh, the chicken.
Wait, you have special ability, don't you?
Yep. They're just over there.
We went to one door requires a pressure valve. Can you imagine that?
Oh, what?
Mm-hmm.
It's too foggy.
Oh, imagine the temptation.
Shit, he's trying to listen out for us then, he was. Oh, he's chasing the other one, but we need to get over to the... round there behind this shed here is another gate.
Yeah, but he's going that way.
Yep.
It's
I
'cause
mean, I don't know where the valve is. The fuse is in the room over there.
but the valve changes though, that's just the disappointing part. So if you rush... my audio's playing up there. If you rush, he's going to see you.
Oh, Johnny's over there. Yeah, he's gone back. Hello.
We might have to rush this.
No
because-
way. Yeah, no, gonna have to. This is bad.
I'm going for it.
I've got 5 my friends.
Keep an eye out.
Got this.
What?
Oh shit, you put another lock on it, the cunt. Uh oh, they're coming. How have they not looked at you? How have they not looked at you?
It's because I'm ginger.
Okay. Now, stay quiet.
How did they not see us, actually? That's the fair point.
All I've got to do now is find a box, you unlock while I turn off the battery.
The problem is I don't know where box is here.
It should be this shed here. You see the shed right where the valve is there? Oh, the chicken's right outside it.
Oh yeah, but don't worry, I can sneak around that chicken.
Actually, no, there's a toolbox round by the other car.
Where?
On a bench. See where the other car is? Where there's a container behind you, yeah? And there's a car in front of it.
Oh.
Turn right. Turn right a bit more. Turn right a bit more.
Please, let them be gone.
There's a table there with it on it.
Go over here.
Yeah. Go right over there, there's a table. Oh, they need to stop doing that though.
He's screaming.
There's not any vibration bits near us, only you.
No, it's health.
Please. Please don't let
No,
them.
there should be.
Dang.
Oh,
it's,
fuck. Gotta be in that shed then.
Mm-hmm.
There should be a hole in the back.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm going through the back.
I can get through.
Oh, what? It's right near the chicken as well.
What's that? I know what this is. It might work on those
Don't
doors.
disturb that chicken. Let me know when you're at the gate and I'll start doing this. Oh,
Right, I made it in time.
yeah, I'm doing this at the same time. Oh my god, oh my god. Battery's nearly done, I've got a quarter.
Okay.
Done.
See where this goes.
Done. Go.
I'm waiting for you. Alright, let's go.
God.
Oh, you closed it in time.
I gotta find
I made
out.
sure it got closed.
Oh, you finally pulled out. Damn. Oh, no.
Oh, I'm in tunnels again. I'm
near
in North Tunnel
Randy.
this time though.
I'm West. Alright, Randy, nice to meet you. I'm off. Go. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna bring you the store because sometimes he.
What are they doing to me?
Mhm.
Yes.
I'm
And
by
you
the
make-
fuse door
Shortcut.
in the North Tunnel.
Oh, I've got a screwdriver off the back.
Can I get through there?
Yes, I'm doing the screwdriver now.
I know what this is. Come on. Come on. I gotta find something I can use. This doesn't fit in the door.
I don't know how to get this North Tunnel. I'm going slow.
Alright.
Right, listen.
This might take me a little while. Oh, there's a door, I can see
The
it.
door is opened immediately. I've opened it.
Yeah, oh, I'm here.
Yeah. Where?
He's near though.
Is he?
Yeah.
You here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Oh, I just heard a chainsaw near me. West. Yeah, west area.
Yeah, I'm right here by this door, I promise you, just so you come out the door when you've gone back in.
Okay.
Thank God.
I'm hiding in the dark.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm here, right next to you.
right.
Three of
Everyone
us
ready?
here.
Yep.
Here you go.
Right.
Go.
Can you imagine that? Oh, what?
I
You slipped
can't
by there?
get through. I wonder where this goes.
Yeah, I've gone all the way back round to where I went to last time.
Come over here.
Sitting in a bush, around behind the shed. Oh, where that rusty car is. By the chicken,
Please
but I'm
let my
behind
friends
that.
Be okay.
So we're going out the same way we went last time.
Yeah, that's what I reckon we should do. Whoa.
I've got drift stick, okay?
We're all together. We're all together again.
But the Chainsaw Massacre.
She's moving. I'm staying still for a sec because I can hear him. We'll be going over that way. I've got a screwdriver on me.
It's because Modern Warfare was being too sweaty.
Right, go Joe, we're clear.
Okay.
I can do this.
Right, they're over there. They're well over there. He's over there. I just see him.
What is this place?
Where is it? There it is. I can't use my special ability till it rebuilds. So I have
Yeah,
to
I know.
like
Take for the
manually-
last gate anyway.
Remember, I've got to go in the shed and get another screwdriver.
Okay. Now,
Right,
stay
door's open.
quiet.
Strong.
Oh, you slammed it.
Shit, yeah, I know. Sorry, mate.
I'm just hoping one of the killers are like dafty and think one of those are like closed it, slammed it. Should I
No,
risk
sorry,
it for a
okay.
screwdriver?
And the gate's open at the moment. No, he's coming this way. I would not risk it at the moment. Let him chase that one around. Let him think it's just someone shut the gate.
Yeah, it was sissy.
Oh fuck. Right, stay still for a minute. Hopefully she'll get bored and realise it was just that one person should go.
Like being daft on the gate, yeah?
Just come and check the vehicle. No way! Joe, man. Jesus,
What?
come up to the bush. I've had to go back down. He's just done me. I'm back in the fucking North Tunnel. Right, I've got to work my way back. Can't believe that.
Thanks for cutting it down for me, bro.
Oh, you idiot, Leland! You know what he's just gone and done?
What?
Slammed the fucking door.
I might get killed here. But I'm going to tell you why now, because Leatherface is checking every bush.
Oh, they're such wimp bags, mate.
Where is the well? Because I might have to drop in there.
Right in that bush that I was in front of
Oh
the...
my god. No. 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 No, 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 no. You killed me. You killed me. Oh, no, no, you haven't. You killed yourself, though. Oh, here we go.
Oh, because I slammed the gate like a donut. I'm very sorry in advance.
It's fine. I'm fine. Well, I'll tell you one thing. She's dead. Oh my god. All of them are here.
I think Sissy just hitting that bush there, unless it's you.
Well, that's me sitting in the bush.
And by the other gate. And by that gate we run through.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
No, that's me sitting in the bush. They're all here.
Alright. Yeah, no, I could see them as well when they come up, but you're the only one that's sitting still. All the others are moving. So I didn't know if it was Sissy sitting still in the bush because she can crouch. He's coming near you. Oh, he's gone past you.
Yeah, I know. That's why I pushed myself in the corner for, because when they push on that bit, they think it's a wall bound. So it just bounces them around. Yeah. That's top tip for everyone. That's what I have learned. Don't sit in the middle of the bush because it gets you killed.
Hook.
Oh, they're all going, but I don't know where Sissy is. I think Sissy's here.
I'll do my vision thing in a minute.
Oh, my lockpick's back anyway, so... Yeah. It's good. It's good. It's about okay. I hear someone running.
I'm ready.
Me.
Okay.
It's me running back to the car.
Ah, well, I could grab a lockpick then.
I have to find the others.
Off.
Problem is, if they do come back, we're fucked.
Are you doing the car though?
No, not yet. I can't move. No, I can. I am now.
Okay. The chicken's learning me somehow.
Oh, fuck. Well, 2 seconds. I'm halfway there.
Yes. This will help.
I'm alright.
Is the car done?
No. Yeah.
Stay focused. Please. Please. Someone has
Donuts. Donuts. I can't believe one of them did not stay there.
I would have done, personally. I was what's speaking.
But he's the one that can ram people.
I don't know. Why is he going for the fuse? Right, come on. Don't go for the fuse. He's gonna go the way we went.
How do we get out of here? Think. All right.
We did. No, we won our first game.
We've got 2 wins in a row.
Yeah. We're playing against Switzerland. No. That's double locked.
See when you.
So if he's got the thing where he stays highlighted, he's buggered. Told you, wooden pencil.
Is it really?
Yeah, look, it looks like a wooden pencil. That's what the cook looks like he's got in his hand, a wooden pencil.
That's nice.
Hey, you didn't get your pencil.
He actually killed me with a pencil.